61A, Lecture Number 3. Announcements. Lab 1 is happening tomorrow. Lab 0 and Lab 1 are both due. The truth is that we don't actually count Lab 0, but you should do it because it's about setting up your computer. Lab 1 we do count, and it's due at the end of the day on Monday. However, this timing is inconvenient for people in European time zones, perhaps other time zones too, though the folks I've heard from so far are from Europe. So if for some reason you believe that Monday at 11:59 p.m. is the wrong deadline for you, please contact CS61A at berkeley.edu to receive an extension to Tuesday on all labs this semester. As far as I can tell, this only applies to a handful of students. I think students in the Americas and in Asia should be just fine. If you think it should apply to you too, just let us know. How lab is supposed to work is that it's like a more straightforward version of a homework assignment that you can complete in an hour and a half or so. The best thing to do is attend a lab orientation, and if you look at the weekly schedule, you'll see when those are. We actually have 2 lab orientations at the same time at 2 p.m. One is for anyone who wants to go, and the other is for people with limited prior experience. Anybody can choose to go to either one, but typically what happens when we offer an option like this is that students who are feeling less comfortable in the course attend the one about limited prior experience, and that means the questions asked there resonate a little more with people who are just getting started. But you can attend either one. You can ask any questions you want in either one. You should not be scared to ask questions. That's what the orientations are for. These will be run like a Zoom webinar, like Lecture 1 was, and the folks running it might not get to all the questions, but they are going to try. You'll ask your questions via the Zoom Q&A. Some of them will be answered by text, and some of them will be answered out loud. We'll have one TA presenting, and another one kind of managing the process, handling the Q&A, and selecting which questions should be answered out loud. I don't know that lab orientation is going to take very long, but we've scheduled it for an hour anyway. It really starts at 2:10. I'm not sure why this schedule says 2 o'clock. Maybe we'll fix that. Lab orientations are repeated. We'll do another one at 6, another one for limited experience students at 7, and another one at 9 o'clock. Different people teach each of these: Catherine, Albert, Aaron, Richard, and Amrita. And our goal is to record them all and post those to be courses. But you should really just attend live. That way you can ask questions if you need to, and you can make sure you get started on lab. And then finish up the lab assignment sometime this afternoon, and you submit it just like you submitted Lab 0. During the lab orientation sessions, you'll hear all about ways you can collaborate with other students. And while I really don't want you to just copy solutions from the web, we're not going to check for copying on lab assignments. You're welcome to work together with whoever you want, share code however you want, make sure that it's productive. If you don't learn how to solve the problems in lab, then you're going to have a hard time on the homework. But whatever works for you is fine with me. Homework 1 is posted. It's due on Thursday. Here, you don't share code. You don't look at other students' code. You don't copy code from the web. You can get help either by posting on Piazza or by going to oh.cs61a.org. This link goes to the same place. That's office hours, where you can get one-on-one help, or you can form groups and work together. You're welcome to talk about how you're going to solve these problems. You just can't talk by sharing code with each other. That's not the point. But having discussions about how to solve the problem can be very productive. And if you go to the lab orientation, I think they'll show you how you can form a group in the Office Hours app, and then you can even get help from a tutor for your whole group. There are also appointments on oh.cs61a.org. Those become available for each day the evening before, perhaps around 10 p.m. When you look at these appointments, the location for all of them will be listed as online. And appointments are not specific to particular assignments. You can grab an appointment for anything you're working on, whether that's lab or homework. We're trying something new this semester because the course tutors really want to support you, and I know it can be isolating to be online. So we're going to have a set of one-on-one informal advising sessions. Starting this Friday, we'll have some on Saturday and some on Monday, where you could just talk to a course tutor, who's typically an upperclassman, about anything you want. You can talk about this course, strategies for success. You could talk about other courses. You could talk about Berkeley, internships, research, life, whatever you want. These are not for solving the homework. That's why we picked Friday after the homework is due. So please don't use these to get help with your coursework. Instead, use them to discuss anything else that's on your mind. The way you can tell that something's an advising session is that the location on oh.cs61a.org for these appointments will be listed as advising. And these will open up on Monday, but they won't actually happen until Friday, Saturday, and Monday, but you can reserve your slot anytime this week. Here are all the Zoom webinar links. Here are the QA with instructor office hours links. Turns out this is just the same link over and over again. And for all these Zoom webinars for lab and discussion orientation, the passcode is 61A, which is built into these links, so you should be able to just click and enter those directly.